Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be working with managing softwares in Ubuntu. From the launcher, we will select Ubuntu Software Center, which is a bag icon with some magic. Here, there are 4 tabs. First is All Software, which is currently being loaded and it needs internet connection to load all the softwares. You can see what's new. There are a lot of softwares out here that you can download from Ubuntu Software Center. You'll see the name, its category, its rating and its price. These are all games out here. This Storm Cloud is an application. It is an internet application with 6 ratings and it is having $2.99. There is one more free product out here which is Color by Numbers, which is an educational product. There is another educational product. So here you'll find a lot of applications. You can choose whichever is best for you and you can simply just download and install that. There are several categories at the left hand side pane like accessories. If you scroll down, there are a lot of accessories out here and there are more and more. We'll go back. In the same way, we have books and magazines over here, developer tools, education, fonts, games, graphics, internet, office, science and engineering, sound and video, system, etc. You can find applications and softwares by using this search functionalities over here. The second is the Install tab. This tab shows all the installed software in your Ubuntu computer. Accessories, where we have terminal, text editor, files, etc. Developer tools, I have Python installed so that it shows up. Games, graphics, internet, office, etc. So these are all softwares which are already installed in the computer. If you want to remove any of them, you just have to select that and you can remove it from this button. You can also get more info by clicking on this button. As you can see, the information is being provided. The third tab is History, which shows all the history of yours. When you downloaded the softwares, when you installed them, and every history is out here. All changes. If you just want to know about your installations, you can go there. Just updates and just removals. The fourth and last one is progress. If you are installing, downloading, upgrading any of the software, it will be in the progress. Once it is out of the progress, it will be in either installation or update or removals. This was the quick and basic tutorial upon managing softwares with Ubuntu Software Center. Thank you.